A few years ago, truly bezel-less phone felt just like a dream, but we all knew it was coming sometime or the other. With a slow and steady grind, slimming down the chins, we knew someday we could achieve an all-display and no bezel smartphone. Vivo managed to take what was initially showcased as a tech concept device and actually polish it and push it to an end user release. And finally exists a smartphone that's almost bezel-less, nothing but a big gorgeous display at the front. It's called the Vivo Nex. And here we have the retail unit of the Vivo Nex, and let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. Vivo is one manufacturer who still believes in a good presentation and a solid first impression of a product. First thing inside the box, we have a Vivo Nex device itself in black color variant. The back of the device has a glossy finish, which in turn makes the back of the device a fingerprint magnet. Inside the box, we have some more thick cardboard, no expenses spared. We also have a case included inside the box to protect the device. And it's not your standard transparent TPO case, it's made of thicker and really nice feeling rubber, complete with an internal plastic shell that's strengthened around the edges for better protection and then thinner around the sides for an easier grip. Next, we have some documentation for the device. The accessory bundle inside the box is impressively rich as well. It includes an impressively thick wall charger that's top rated at solid 22.5 watts output. Besides the brick itself, you get a nice thick USB Type A to Type C cable and also a pair of white Vivo earbuds. Actually, these are wired hand-free set as they include a microphone as well. The device is comfortable to hold besides having a tall display, but the device is on the heavier side, weighing around 200 grams. Let's turn on the device and see what's all it has to offer. The Vivo Nex has a 6.59-inch 2316 into 1080 pixels Full HD Plus display, and it's a Super AMOLED display with 19.3:9 aspect ratio. The display is surrounded by so little bezel that the screen to body ratio is approximately 91%. Starting at the top of what we have an uninterrupted sheet of Gorilla Glass, we can see there is no earpiece on the slim top bezel. It was ditched in favor of a piezoelectric speaker under the display. Another thing that has been removed and moved beneath the screen is a fingerprint sensor. This device, similar to the X21, has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The all-screen Nex is powered by a 2.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 845 64-bit processor and is powered by an Adreno 630 GPU. In terms of storage, the device features 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, and is backed by a 4000 mAh of battery. The Vivo Nex is running on Android 8.1.0 Oreo with FunTouch OS 4.0 on top of it. Talking about the primary rear cameras, we have a 12 megapixel f1.8 sensor with 1.4 micron pixels and a secondary 5 megapixel f2.4 lens with both optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization. More than the screen and an impressive 91.24% screen to body ratio, the Vivo Nex pop-up camera is arguably the best wow factor. The pop-up front camera on the Nex is futuristic and has a unique design implementation. A lot of design innovation has gone through the development of this pop-up front camera. The front camera is an 8 megapixel f2.0 sensor that pops up delicately to capture selfies. It supports HDR, AI filters, beauty mode, live photos, and a variety of different aspect ratios. The Vivo Nex seems nothing short of a monumental device. The device looks futuristic, and to achieve this notchless look, Vivo has made some bold choices. It has placed the selfie camera into a pop-up mechanism on top of the phone, and it has a fingerprint sensor under the screen, and the display also doubles as a piezoelectric speaker. The Vivo Nex will be available in India soon, and the pricing of the device is not yet unveiled at the time of making of this video, but the device is expected to be released at a price range of around 49,000 Indian rupees and will be available exclusively on Amazon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for a review of the Vivo next smartphone.